Hey, so we need to make one of those furnace promos.
Well, what we could do is, we never actually have the dancers in any of the videos, so we could put them in this one and have them kind of run it, because we always kind of show the improvers,
Yeah.
but the dancers never get shown in any of the videos.
Yeah, let's do that.
Hey, Tommy, is that good with you?
Yeah, that sounds alright.
Okay. Hey, let's do that.
Okay.
Oh, okay, hi.
Hey, CYT!
I
What you're drinking, expect something witty. Wait, we're making a video! Guys, wait! We're making a video!
Shoot, that could have gone better.
Well, I mean, I guess we could just do what we always do and just think up some witty joke.
Oh, yeah, but what are we gonna do?
I love dancing and improv.
Are you a fan of dancing and improv?
Yes! Evening in the furnace. It's at 7:30. Friday, April 30th. $5 all goes to Mario.